In the year 1999, Joice Amulika Maduaka became British 100-meter and 200-meter champion in the same season, a feat almost no sprinter pulls off. That performance sent her to the Olympics, but it was only just the beginning. Her roots trace back to Ubulu-Uku quarters in the ancient kingdom of Ubulu-Uku, an Igbo town in Delta State, Nigeria, with a history stretching back to the 12th century AD. From that heritage came a woman who would go on to become one of Britain's most decorated sprinters of all time. Born September 30th, 1973 in London, Amulika Maduaka didn't rush to the top. She turned professional at 24, late by sprinting standards. But what she lacked in early speed, she made up for in staying power. In 1998, she won her first British 100-meter title, followed weeks later by bronze at the Commonwealth Games in Kuala Lumpur. In 1999, she swept both the 100 meters and 200 meters British titles, earning her a spot at Sydney Olympic Games. In 2002, she picked Commonwealth bronze again, this time in Manchester. In 2004, she represented Britain at the Olympics, this time in Athens. In 2006, at age 32, when most sprinters are often retired, Maduaka ran her personal best, 11.23 seconds in the 100 meters, and won silver in the 4x400 meter relay at the European Championships. By the end of her career, she had collected 22 medals at the British Athletic Championships, more than any athlete in the competition's history. 6-time 100-meter champion, 3-time 200-meter champion, 2-time Olympian, and at 36, still sharp enough to help England win silver at the 2010 Commonwealth Games in Delhi. This wasn't a flash of talent. It was 15 years of discipline, carried by a daughter of Ubulu-Uku Kingdom, who never let go of the standard her heritage set for her. When she retired from the track, she moved into elite sport leadership and business, carrying the same relentless energy that built her career. Joice Amulika Maduaka, proud daughter of Ubulu-Uku Kingdom, forged into one of Britain's greatest sprinters. 22 medals, 2 Olympic Games, one legacy of excellence that started long before she ever stepped on a track. Thanks for watching. This is Eno Cultural Forum, where we promote the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people and Igbo excellence. If this is your first time of coming across our videos, please hit the subscribe button to continue seeing more videos celebrating Igbo excellence all over the world. My name, once again, is Prince Onwadenem Ngozi Chukwuka Fortune, and I will see you in my subsequent videos. Bye-bye.